I don't know if I made the right move. Look at the waypoint. Number 5. Welcome to the madness of Ho Chi Minh City. Look at this traffic. All right, there you go. I am now checking out. Yeah, I'm moving on. I'm gonna head back to Vietnam. It's a very lazy Monday. By the way, I arrived here on Sunday night, so that explains why it wasn't very busy and nothing was going on. So this is where I stayed last night. Motel Sao Bui. Beautiful day. And I am heading back this way. It's about a 10-15 minute walk down this way. These are these little taxis. I'm not going to take a taxi. I don't need one. I quite like the exercise. I do a lot of sitting on my computer with writing and video editing and all that kind of stuff that I do. So why not go for a good walk? Famous Vietnamese food, banh mi. Here's that casino from last night. Let's go get some ice. You can see here that this is 1 can. Something they do in Cambodia. You get a lot of competition here. So I just cashed that in. And I got four of these beers for 4,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about $1.50. Very good deal. Oh, it's actually pretty warm out here today. Quite hot as I go past the Dynasty Hotel and Casino. There's the Las Vegas over there. Pretty warm today. I'm making it there. I can see the border from here. But we've got to pass through all these casinos to get there. I had to cross over there. The sun is so bright I can't see my screen, so I'm kind of going to wing it a little bit. Yeah, not the most fun side of the street to walk on. The other street was way more fun, but there's a little bit more shade on this side. And there is the border. Okay, I have arrived here at the Bavet Mộc Bài border control. So I'm back. I'm gonna have to turn off the video in a minute, but there you go. That was well, a brush with Bavet. There's not much more to do. I've been here so many times, and there's really not much more to do than what I did last night. Except going to the casinos, and well, I don't do that. There's a good reason for that. The house always wins. Dusty experience. So here I am. I'm hand-holding it. Handheld because I can't be bothered getting the gimbal out because transition, I'm going there. That's the Vietnam side. So goodbye Cambodia and goodbye shaky hand footage. I am on the Vietnam side again, and quick transition. That's the way out. I'm officially back in Vietnam. Done. Made it. There and back. Less than 24 hours actually, so not a bad run. I don't know if I made the right move. Number 5, I got off here. I took us last time, but look at the waypoint. Number 5. Oh my god. But it's a beautiful sunset though. Very nice. Welcome to the madness of Ho Chi Minh City. Look at this traffic. What I wouldn't do to be on a beach right now. Oh, that was so lucky. I almost doubted myself. I almost got back onto 33, but luckily bus 5 came along, so I kind of got lucky. Okay, so we're back in the river of Dong Nai. I did notice that the gimbal must have been low on power. It was starting to shake there, so I'm just using my hand at the moment. But when I do these big journeys, when I get out a little bit, get out of my routine and do something like this, like hit a cross border, go somewhere, like last year I went to China. I find that it rekindles my old spirit of travel and things that are unfinished. And I guess after a certain amount of time, when you're stuck in a place like I've been in now for almost 10 years, it doesn't really work well for a guy with an attention deficit, you know. And I felt quite bored here, so I'm hoping that this channel is going to take me further away. And actually, I don't mind being local, but I wouldn't mind actually seeing this stuff, you know. Wouldn't mind getting on that bike and actually, but I don't want to do all the other stuff because everybody's done it to death. But I want to go to places where nobody's actually been to. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to do something different for this channel. My attention deficit really kicks in when I travel across borders, and I start to realize, what have I been doing? Why are you so complacent, or why are you so stagnant? And I've been stagnant for quite a while. So here you go. Yeah, this attention deficit ain't gonna work much longer. So that's finally the end of the vlog. I made it back. I'm in Dom Nai River again in Bien Hoa, and that's it. That's it. That is finally it. And I think a simple journey like this can make you feel something a little bit different, and make you realize that changes are coming, especially with guys with attention deficit.